at, Mr. No Good?
Oh, we in the hood.
Oh, man.
Grand River.
Okay.
Once again, y'all know where it's at. We're going to the bread basket. We're gonna go over here. I'm definitely gonna give me that 17.5. One of our viewers told us to get it. Again, we on Greenfield and Grand River. This Mr. No Good. This Nate Jones behind the camera.
No doubt.
Bread basket. Let's see.
How you doing?
I'm good. How about you? She cheerful. That's what's up. That's what's up.
What you gonna get, cuz?
I'm gonna grab that. That's 17.5. That's what the coleslaw, right? Man, I don't know if I want this. What's that, ranch dressing? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I want to get that. You cut it in half, right? Can I get that on rye? Absolutely.
Every Sunday I just get out of
The what? 6.
What you think y'all should get?
I didn't want to give this shit back.
No, we got one more sandwich coming.
Turkey and chicken salad. Well, let me get the turkey then. No bacon or none of that, just the vegetables. You said bacon on there or no bacon?
No bacon.
Okay, cool. What would I want? What?
6, huh?
6.
How long?
5 to 8 minutes.
5 to 8 minutes? Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up.
Your total is 21.
How much?
What's he saying? 9 and...
This motherfucker better be good.
Your total is 12.
Alright.
2012.
What you say, Mr. No Good?
He said 5 to 8 minutes. Nate said, this shit better be good when he seen the price. That's what's up. Because y'all told us to come.
Yeah.
And y'all told us what to get.
Yeah.
And I got it.
No
And
doubt.
then he ordered something that we ain't never, y'all ain't never seen us eat. Oh, you didn't get the tuna, you got the turkey.
Yeah.
Y'all done seen us do that before. He gonna say it's processed. We know it.
I hope not.
We
Not
know
for $20.
Yeah.
It better be the whole. It better be the goddamn turkey.
It's the whole turkey?
I needed to cock-a-doodle-doo and everything.
That bitch in the back.
Yes, pluck it. I need it all. $20 for a sandwich? Shit. I'm not playing.
No doubt. This Man Amongst Men. We'll be back with y'all in a minute.
No doubt.
So y'all can watch us eat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You too.
She said have a blessed day. That's what's up.
What you say?
That took about 5 to 8 minutes. Gotta love the young lady behind the glass. She was courteous. She was nice. She said had a blessed day.
No doubt.
She took care of us.
Yes.
Customer service, A1.
Yes.
I thought this was a black-owned bread basket, but clearly it ain't right now. They got their name on the bag.
Yeah.
We finna go in here. Check us out in a little while. Let you know what's going on. Yeah. Bread basket, y'all.
Men Amongst Men.
I'm Mr. No Good.
Nate Jones.
Absolutely. Let's see what it is. Say it with me. Knackers! Oh, shit. Okay. We got pickles.
Okay.
I don't know how you feel about that.
I don't mind no pickles.
And this is mine.
Yeah.
And this your turkey.
$20, dog.
$20. $20.
All right.
We keep all rubber bands, so when y'all get our views up and we start getting paid, we're gonna start putting our money in there. We keep all rubber bands.
Yeah.
Wishful thinking.
Okay, here we go.
And they cut it in half.
Let's get it. This is some bread you get from the grocery store.
Oh, they gave you some home pride?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, that's what's up.
$20, y'all. Here we go.
This is my 6-ounce 17.5 on rye.
That's some bullshit. And he gave me the back of the bread.
Oh, he gave you the back. That's what's up. He got the end of the bread, the part that don't nobody eat.
I'm about to be pissed off. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You ain't gonna be pissed off.
I'm gonna take this shit back.
It's gonna be good. 17.5, y'all. Bread basket. Let's get into it. See what it is. Look at that. Let me grab it.
Watch this.
Look at that. That's what it is. My bad. I always drop shit. Don't nobody commenting about it either.
You dropping shit in my shit.
I just said don't nobody comment. You gonna comment.
Here y'all go. Look, put that back up.
Oh,
so
shit.
I can get a good thumbnail.
Look at that.
There we go.
Yeah.
I don't know how happy I am about this. That motherfucker look good. He just gave me some shit I could have made at home.
This motherfucker good.
This some bullshit.
This motherfucker good. The Russian dressing, corned beef sauce. The rye bread tastes like rye bread. Cheese, coleslaw, sweet. This motherfucker good.
He gave me
I ain't even gonna lie.
He gave me the back of the bread. I'm not happy.
It is in the middle.
I'm not happy, bro. I
You
ain't
think he can hide that?
I'm not happy with this. And I don't want it.
You taking it back?
I'm taking it back.
He taking it back. Let me go ahead and give me one more bite.
I'm taking this back, dog. This some bullshit, man. Like, for real, man. What the fuck? Your shit straight.
My shit is flavorful.
That's some bullshit, dog. I don't appreciate this at all. What you rate that?
This one damn good corned beef sandwich.
They gave me a turkey sandwich that was home. Like, I could have made this at home. You just charged me $10 for this fucking homemade sandwich. I could have got 2 loaves of bread, 2 packs of meat, or at least 1, and some cheese that I already got in the refrigerator. I got mayonnaise and lettuce. I mean mayonnaise and tomatoes.
He did give you a school lunch sandwich. That's a school lunch sandwich.
My mama could have made this for me.
At least your mama would have cut the corners off.
There would have been more love in it.
And she wouldn't have gave you the end.
Come on now, you ain't gonna give me no bullshit.
Okay, I'm gonna take one more bite before he go in there, because I ain't taking my sandwich.
No, you not.
My shit is clearly good.
What you rate that, man? Bread basket, y'all some bullshit.
8.3.
8.3? God damn! It look good. Some bullshit.
Yeah, this bitch good, bro.
I don't want this at all. Y'all can keep this. Bread basket. Whoever sent us here the bread basket.
I'm saving half of this. I'm gonna get it to somebody's mama. I'm gonna impress her. I got this for you, baby. I'm
gonna get us a 3-2.
Man.
It's a 3-2. I could have made a better sandwich than this. It's literally it's some bullshit, man. Y'all don't have to do me like this. Y'all just charged me an arm and a leg. I said it better be good for $20.
I know I said.
Stop it.
I keep saying one more bite, but
no, go ahead and finish your half and get the other half to somebody, mama, like you said.
Cause I don't want him to ask me to give my sandwich back. Like, fuck it, get out of my store.
Yeah, okay.
Give me my sandwich back.
Okay, now you hold this camera while we going here.
Yes,
I'm not happy at all. The service was the customer service was very good.
She did that.
She did her thing. But this food, I don't appreciate this at all. Like at all. I'm sorry.
Did you bite it?
I bit it one time and it tasted like some shit at home.
We'll be back.
We'll see y'all in a minute, man.
Here we go, y'all. He taking it back.
Some bullshit, man. I don't appreciate this.
We know he mad. He got his back pocket hanging out. He complained about that $20.
See, the crazy part is I usually don't complain. I usually just take what we get and keep it moving. Like, but today it's like, yo, like enough of the bullshit. Like, you gonna give us something, some quality? Like, you serving people this shit. Don't fucking do that. Let's get it.
Okay. The saga continues.
One of the sandwiches we gonna bring back. We don't want it. It's I don't like it at all. Yeah, I don't like it. Just nah, at all. I could have made that at home.
Getting something else?
No.
Oh, okay, clearly.
And I'm hungry.
On to the next one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? No, that's the receipt. That's ticket number.
And let me see.
2012. Yours was $9.99, mine was $8.99. Tax $1.14.
Yeah, what it is.
Your son was looking good as hell.
They put the ends in this. They gave him the ends, the bread ends.
Yeah, what?
Yeah. You know that's a no-no in the restaurant.
He put the end, you know how the end, like everybody throw that end piece away? He put that on my sandwich. I don't appreciate that at all.
You gotta tell him about that. He clearly don't know black people don't eat the end.
Yeah. You don't eat the end, do you? You throw that end piece away, don't you? He's serving that to us. You too. Thank you. And there you have it. Man amongst men.
What you say, Mr. Nate Jones?
Man amongst men. I don't really appreciate that shit. Oh, girl, she cool. She courteous.
Cool as
shit. She doing her job pristine. It's very well. I like her. But that dude in the back, he didn't even come talk to me.
He didn't even. I thought he was gonna come up front.
Yeah, they just gave me my money back. I appreciate that too. I don't have no problem with the bread basket. Next time, y'all just don't give me no bullshit, because I'm gonna bring it back. I don't appreciate that at all, especially when I'm seeing Mr. No Good sandwich.
Oh, baby,
Oh
you
my
better
God.
learn how to eat that cow.
Man, I'm not doing that, but it is what it is. It's Men Amongst Men. We appreciate y'all for watching. This gonna be the outro right here, so I'm gonna tell y'all, buy you a shirt, spreadshirt.com/Men Amongst Men. If you're on Facebook, hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. And that's it. We out, man. What you say, Mr. No Good?
Can I eat it first?
Because I don't want it.